Meeting Mr. Aaron Debnam her freshman year in 1977 at South Carolina State University was the beginning of an adventurous, godly life for her, Wanda Debnam. There are not enough words to describe Aaron, the type of man he was, the life he lived, and the love he gave. The couple first met while they were sitting in a reading class. As Wanda finished the 6-week class in a week and passed, Aaron tapped her on her shoulder requesting for her to help him. To say the least, both of them finished the class in 1 week. That was the beginning of an adventurous life that the two would share together. It was clear from the beginning that he had, and later had their marriage, consistent adaptability. Aaron was wonderful, uplifting, strong, charming, heroic, hardworking, sexy, athletic, dependable, affectionate, gentle, ambitious, compassionate, and a considerate man. These powerful attributes in a most positive way affected not only their marriage, but also each and every person he touched throughout the life he shared. As a father to a beautiful daughter, Aaron Lee, he was supportive, patient, reliable, encouraging, humorous, and thoughtful. To his friends, family, and community, he served as a courageous, trustworthy, and supportive leader. When Aaron died, their lives was featured in the entire page of the lifestyle section of the Greenville News. A scholarship fund was set up and a yearly banquet was held, naming the recipient as having the attributes and qualities as Aaron exhibited, the Aaron Debnam Award. Their love story began at South Carolina State University and will forever be cherished.